The visit today from the U.S. Championship team, the giant diencephalic BrainSTEM robotics team, to the Belize High School is a partnership in which Belizean robotic enthusiasts will be able to hone their skills and learn new techniques. The workshop aims to provide hands-on experience in engineering and programming using the specialized first game kits. Godfrey Sosa is the IT director and robotics mentor at BHS.
And whenever we visit at these international competitions, we tend to network and we tend to build relationships with other teams. We tend to reach out to others. They get to learn about our country, we get to learn about theirs. And in addition to that, they're always on that edge to help. So whenever you are talking about what you're doing home and the exciting of the vigor and all of these things that are happening within your country, and you coming from such a small country and actually winning an international robotics competition at that level, it puts eyes on you. So people start getting that recognition out there. Okay, how can we help? How can we make this better?
The folks from the BrainSTEM First Tech Challenge team came with gifts, resources that will be used to expand the robotics program countrywide.
This is actually my 8th year in FIRST robotics. So the way that I started is I was into Legos, right? I mean, a lot of kids are interested in Legos. And so I found a summer camp that was doing Lego robotics, and that seemed really interesting to me, just sort of getting into it. Maybe I wasn't really interested in the robotics part at first, but once I started getting into it, it was really cool, seeing the Legos actually move. So from there, I found out about FLL, which is the first Lego League, which is Lego Robotics, and it hooked me right away. For the first Lego League program here, I think the school had older kits and they didn't have a lot, and they wanted to start some more robotics teams. So we helped to fundraise to get the resources for 20 new Spike Prime kits, so they could help acquire them. So we actually were able to, help them out with that.
It's an exciting moment for the Belizean champions. News 5 spoke with them about the passion they've developed for robotics.
My first robotics competition was FLL, as I just talked about, and then I moved on to FRC, which is the highest, the top. It's basically the top. And then now I'm doing FGC. This is my first year doing FGC.
How has it been so far?
It's really fun. I've learned a lot over the years, over the 2 years I've been in robotics, and just the environment that you're in with FGC. I mean, traveling with teams, meeting other teams, meeting other people, is really a fun experience. I think Belize really should implement more robotics competitions, maybe especially in the schools, because, as I said, I've learned a lot, and I think it's a great opportunity for children to learn about engineering, math, physics, and everything like that.
I think it's the idea that I can make something that can better lives, but also that I can have fun with at the same time. And it's also an enjoyable experience to do it with friends. But building robots is just something I enjoy in general.
Duane, Moody for News 5.